Hi, hello, namaskar. Uh, welcome back. Welcome back to my next episode of Life of a Hoteliers. Where we have ended last time, we have ended that I have been admitted to the college, my first day in the college. So the first day in the college is always exciting because that's the time when I'm joining a professional college or management studies. I'm joining a management studies. So basically, the distance from my college to my home is almost not less than 3 hours, 2.5 hours to 3 hours. So it's quite a long distance. So I have to go from I have to change three vehicles, three mode of transport. One is a couple of buses. Then I have to reach the college. My college timing was 9 o'clock, and 8:50 the college gates get closed. That's the main important thing. And 9 o'clock is our assembly. Then from 9 to 9:05 or 9:10 is assembly. Then 9:15 everyone get moved to their respective classes, and then the college started. So the day one we entered the college, and it was complete a little bit of introductory session with our faculties, with all our friends, with all of the classmates who have joined with us. So it was a quite interesting, and it was quite innovative way of introduction. थोड़ा सा अच्छा लगा because I have not been into the management previously, or this is the first time I'm into the professional management. So I like the way how the innovativeness they have created in making told them us to give us introduction. So it is not a regular introduction that's sitting in a one corner and give you interaction. So basically, what our faculty told us that you tell us yourself, you tell us your name and one unique things about you. That's a very much good thing. And why you joined the day, that's the time when I learned this answers and questions, that why you joined this industry, why you want to work in this industry, why you have chosen hospitality industry. uh, we have told anything, whatever things we like. Somebody have told, and this is the reason why I have joined. Somebody told I like the industry. Somebody told it's a very much fun in this industry. uh, Everyone has told. Then comes the new things, or then comes the real thing, is that interacting with your seniors means the people who have already studying there, who is a second year and the third year or the final year of the students who are going to pass out the final year, because we are the new batch, so we are the first year. So the we are in my hotel, or in my college, ये बेसिकली 3 साल का होता है होटल मैनेजमेंट. तो आई हैव इन माई कॉलेज, इन माई कोर्स, इट वॉज डिग्री एज वेल एज डिप्लोमा. सो इट वॉज अ 3 years डिग्री एज वेल एज डिप्लोमा, एंड BA इन हॉस्पिटैलिटी इंडस्ट्री. सो 3 साल का है ये कोर्स. हर साल का आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू गो इनटू दैट व्हाट इज द फीस एंड ऑल दोस थिंग्स. दैट्स टोटली डिपेंडिंग अपॉन द कॉलेज टू कॉलेज. तो मेरा कॉलेज में सीनियर्स लोग, फिर क्या हुआ, सबको बुलाया गया. तो फैकल्टी ने बोला कि लेट्स जेल अप विद द सीनियर्स, हाउ यू वांट टू जेल अप. So the seniors have decided next day. The first day would be our normal introduction, told us that this is the classes, this are things, and these are the faculty members. All faculty members came together. They have introduced us them, who is going to take the F&B, who is going to take the housekeeping, who is going to take the front office. So all those things was happening. This was keep on happening for 2 days, 3 days, 4 days. The fifth days is the time when we have to give our introduction to our seniors. The seniors would be, the first would be your second year seniors, and the third would be your the second day would be your third year seniors. So in the second year in our college, in my year, there was 50, if I'm not wrong, 45 students. In my second year it was 32 students, and in third year it was 22 students. So 22 for third year, 32 for second year, and 45 for the first year. So this was the number of students who was there. What happened that now the year has been divided into two parts. One is your hotel, one is your hostelite, and one is your localite. So everyone is aware. So I was coming under the localite. So because I am local because I was staying on that place, so I am a localite. Hostelite means the people who are not in from that state, they came from different state and they are studying in that college, so they are the hostelite. So introduction, as we are 45 students and there are 32 seniors, so it is very difficult for giving 45 introductions. So what they have now told us that people who are localite, they will give the introduction first, and the people who are hostelite, they will give the introduction in their respective hostels to the respective seniors. We told okay, fine, and it is a very good introduction. It is nothing wrong in the introduction. So they told us that the way of how to give introduction, we have to it was in cafeteria, which was, we are having a cafeteria, so we are having a classes on top of the floor. We are having a cafeteria where the food has been served. If you want to buy anything, if you didn't have your tiffin, if I want to buy your tiffin, it is a paid cafeteria. And also for the lunch being served for the hostelite who are the hostel, who are living in the hostel there. So it is also, the food has been served from there also. So in the cafeteria, and they have arranged a nice lunch for us, and it was a first lunch. So they have arranged a nice lunch for us, for all the people. So, and it's good food, honestly. My seniors were the best seniors I have ever come across. But it was very amazing, mouth watering food they have arranged for all the first years. तो क्या बोला कि हम लोगों को बोला कि you have to stand in a long queue, you have to stand in a queue, and one by one you have to come ahead, and you have to inform, tell your names, you have to tell your names, you have to tell your from which place you're coming from, what is your hobby, and what is the unique thing about yourself. 4 things, simple, tell, and you can pass. Your name, that for example, my name is XYZ, my hobbies is XYZ, and unique thing, I love doing bodybuilding, or I love batting, I love cricketing, I love playing games and all those things. And something unique thing, I said I am very much unique, that I make friends very easily. So those are unique things. So there's a twist came. So one of the seniors told that you'll have to reiterate what is your hobby. For example, if your hobby is playing football, then you have to kick a shot. You have to think that there's a ball is there, you have to take a shot on that. Okay, so good, nice. Well, that was the first time I have come in front of my seniors. It was good. We liked it, the way we liked it, the way the seniors told us. We have done it, and not now, because the video is getting longer. You'll think that this man speaks a lot. Okay, so let us give us a break. One break, let us give us. So let me end this episode now. Let me come back to you sometimes, or tomorrow. Definitely there will be next day, there will be a next episode, fresh episode, same thing, same way. How I will tell you again, please subscribe, please like, please view it, please pass it, and please share it to all of your friends. Think that there are people who are already स्टडिंग इन दिस होटेलियर्स, देयर आर होटेलियर्स हु आर देयर अक्रॉस. यहाँ पे बहुत होटेलियर्स है, आपका दोस्त भी होटेलियर्स है. उसको मोटिवेट करने के लिए प्लीज़ ये वीडियो देखिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए, मैक्सिमम शेयर कीजिए, मैक्सिमम लाइक कीजिए, मैक्सिमम व्यूज़ कीजिए, कमेंट्स कीजिए. आपको कैसे लग रहा है मेरा वीडियो? अगर आपको अच्छा लग रहा है कमेंट्स कीजिए, आपको अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है कमेंट्स कीजिए. आई एम मोस्ट happy person to give all your feedback, comments, and most happy person to take all your feedbacks and comments. Thank you. Bye. Good night. Take care. Shabba care. Bye bye.